Yes. Come in.
Are we rolling?
Yes, start rolling.
Oh, okay. Hi.
This is my
I'm that person that told me I need to make a YouTube video.
Named Ava. We're doing a barely cooking contest. So, let's begin.
Okay, so guys, my name is Ava. Okay, so I'm going to be picking your ingredients. So 12 ingredients or less, so...
Soup?
Uh-huh.
Oh, no.
Instant pudding. Isn't required. Nope, that takes 3 hours.
Yeah, I think we have a limited time. That's not 3 hours.
Yeah.
Ooh, peanut butter. I'm like a good item.
Peanut butter, honey.
Oh, I hate honey.
Pretzels. Okay. You get 3 fortune cookies. You need some tortilla chips.
Ooh, blue chips. Pickles. Pickles.
9.
So, now, for some payback.
Well, just to let you know, I'm a really good cook, so...
Yeah, okay, look at me.
I will totally beat
At me.
No.
Camera phone.
No. I'm a really good cook, so...
We're doing that. I know.
Oh, these chairs
Take some ketchup.
Boing, boing, boing.
Oh my.
Oh, ketchup! You can use water with any of your dish, like it doesn't have to be an item.
We'll have this stuff. I don't know what it is, but we
What
have
is
it.
it?
I think it's ranch powder.
It's ranch powder.
I can use that.
That's ranch powder. Let's see.
Oh, mustard!
Cheese spread.
Oh, that is so delicious! Lemon juice.
Edible dye.
No, you have to die.
Yeah. Gummy bands. Whatever this is. Please dessert.
Yes!
These are Wendy's ingredients. Are Ava's.
Put in the comments who you think has the better half.
Yeah.
This is the dessert that Ava made for
Ooh,
me.
it's green! Don't mind me.
Yeah, Ava is loving it. I don't think I will be.
Oh, it's delicious. Look at that.
I can't look at her. So, this is her dessert.
Eat it with the sauce. It's really good. It's really good.
Better being here in person.
That was so good.
Eat
Eat it! Oh! Okay. So this is Wendy's. She made this.
Look
This
at
is her side dish, apparently. And then this is her dessert. Oh. Okay, that is really good. Advertisements!
You can do it.
This is the whole thing I have to eat.
Oh yeah, there might be paper in it. The barely
Cooking
challenge.